We're at the Corstorphine Community Hub. We've got dads out here playing with their kids. We've got kids playing, bouncing basketballs, and the main thing is just to get these guys out here moving with their whānau. They love the game, I love the game, and I'm here to push that basketball kaupapa wherever I go. That's the main thing, trying to bring our whānau together for a mean bit of a workout.
The school closed down, the Corstorphine school. We wanted to bring something back into the community because things were starting to disappear from here. So there was nothing here. Families were complaining that they couldn't afford a lot of things. So we decided, right, let's do a hub up here. And then it just got bigger and bigger. Then we put up a community garden, all out of our own pockets. And then someone spotted us doing these sort of things and said, right, we're going to get behind you and do this. And so we've been going for 5 years now.
Yeah, it's really reconnecting who we are to each other. You know, we had a whānau orohui last year, and there was the participation of the children was unbelievable. We had 93 registered children on that day. So, I mean, we had maybe 40 adults, 50 adults, just sort of, you know, enjoying the time whilst we, you know, coordinated these activities for the kids. I think for us, really is establishing this place and making it what it should be, you know, a community centre for everybody.
It's time to make a better and brighter future, and I think with whānau ora and everyone, all the whānau around, we can make this happen. The main thing is I want everyone, when they leave me, I want them to have hope and faith and belief in themselves, knowing that they are beautiful, that they can succeed in life, that they can do whatever it takes to shine. And the main thing is always trying to make future leaders to carry on our legacy.
It doesn't matter who they are, we're willing to support them. Yeah, it's all about community. This is what the hub is about.